Some people just hate independent women. Some men going to troll them, some women's also troll them. Some people think that a woman should be financially independent, should be a provider, but not, in a controlled way. But not, she shouldn't have this, confidence. Some people just hate women's confidence, especially the male ego. Why? If she's earning, if she's providing for her family, for her kids, for herself, she has to has a confidence. It's her own money. She can do whatever she wants to. No, I'm not saying in that manner, that feminist manner, but you cannot just hate a woman just because she is confident. You don't have to. And if she's confident, it doesn't mean she's not a family person. If she's confident, it doesn't mean that she cannot, be a good mother, be a good wife, be a good whatever. She can be anything and still be confident. Some male ego is just hurt by women's confidence. Or why is she talking? Why is she giving her own opinions? Why she shouldn't? If she has opinion, if she has a mind, she is also a human being like you. So she knows what is good and what is bad. She has its own opinions and she can present into yourself. Why she cannot? Why are you hating her to to just put her own opinions on some random things in a job interview, in job, in house, wherever? If you have opinion as a male, you can, show anger freely, you can give opinions, you can shout, you can abuse, you can do anything. Why she shouldn't? Why she cannot? And I'm not saying go ladies and do abusing, no, of course not. But she has all the rights to put her opinion, to give her opinion, to give the clarity. In fact, women's intuitions are just insane. If she's telling you something, that means she knows, that means she has opinion, that means she also has some rights. I have seen so many families where there's no opinion of their female partners. No, they want their female partner to be very quiet, be just, obligating, be very obedient, just submissive. But still, she has to have an independent career. She has to be an independent woman. I mean, what do you want, guys? A woman should be financially independent, but she has to, follow all the traditions and, that old traditional manner that family is only a women's responsibility. She has to be modern, but she shouldn't have the confidence and the opinions. I mean, what? Do you even know what you want from a woman? And you know what women's want from you? Just respect and support. Just respect and support. And if you're not able to give this to her, this little things, stay away from her. Because if she is, independent, she's earning, she work hard for it, she is educated, she has her opinions, she has all the rights to show that, and if a woman is achieving something, it doesn't mean she achieved it by some negative means. She has to be, she has that knowledge, that's why she is on that position. You don't have to degrade her. And I know more than men's, even women is women's biggest enemy. I know that some women just try to degrade other women to show herself good, to show herself better, and it's the worst way to do it. It's a worst thing to do. As a women, we need to support, show some queen behavior, fix each other's crown, you know uh, just appreciate each other, try to, push each other forward, not just stay that back. Women's are women's biggest enemy. And I believe in this because I have seen this. You know why some women after marriage gone through so many tortures? Because of her mother-in-law. Because she tortured the same way. And now she wants some revenge. And that's just heartbreaking for me. Women also, women judge other women's character without any reason. Sometimes out of jealousy, sometimes out of fear, sometimes out of just, to show herself better. And that's also a worst thing to do. This video is not particularly to, suppress the male audience or to, target the male audience. Of course not. All I'm just saying is a woman can be independent, can be confident, can handle her family, can support her husband, can support her family, can be a good mother, can be a good wife, and can be a good housewife. A woman can do everything all at once. She doesn't have to be submissive all the time. No, she doesn't. She can be equally feminine and independent and confident and show her opinions because it's also her birthright. She is also human being. She is not somebody you just, like a doll who just listens, or maybe not no listens, who cannot listen, cannot talk, but just be obedient with you. No, of course not. She's not a robot. Women is not a robot. And show some queen behaviors, girlies. Fix each other's crown. Teach each other. Learn from each other. Stop jealousy. There's nothing you will take from jealousy. Just learn from each other. That's what feminism is. Feminism doesn't mean that go and hate each other, go and compete with men. Of course not. Feminism is all about fix each other's crown. Focus on your growth. Focus on your journey. Focus on yourself. Fight for your rights, not for other people's right. That's what feminism is. Feminism isn't about if a male is drinking 2 beer, I'm going to drink 4 just to show the equality. No, of course not. This is not feminism. This is just crap. This is just showing your low standard values. This is not feminism. Feminism is about I can be, independent and I can run a house. I can be a good mother as well. That's what feminism is. Feminism is about I'm going to fight for my rights, my birthrights, education, earning, whatever. And I am able to fight for other women as well to fix her crown. This is queen behavior. This is what feminism is. So stop playing victim, ladies. You are not a victim. You are a victim of your own mentality. And that you have to change. Nobody's going to save you for this one. So stop this nonsense and start doing what is right, not what feels right. Sometimes we are feeling jealousy and we show our jealousy in the form of criticizing other women. And that's so small thing to do. Stop doing that. If you ever feel jealous of somebody, just try to learn what is lacking in you that you are jealous of other person. And just learn that thing. That's it. That's what queen behavior is. I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. And if you find this video helpful, go like, share, and subscribe, honey.